Ever paused to ponder over what to pack for a cruise? It's quite the conundrum, isn't it? Well, worry no more. Today we're revealing the top 15 items you absolutely must bring along on your next cruise. At number 1, we've got the passport. This one's a no-brainer. No passport means no cruise. It's your golden ticket to the world, and without it, those cruise doors remain firmly shut. Number 2 on our list is travel insurance documents. Unexpected incidents can occur, and it's always best to be prepared. So, make sure you have your travel insurance documents handy. Coming in at number 3, we have medication. If you require any prescription medication, it's crucial to bring enough to last the duration of your trip, and then some. Next up at number 4, we got the versatile swimwear. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hitting the beach at a port of call, you'll need your swimwear. Number 5 is formal wear. Most cruises host formal nights, and you won't want to miss the chance to dress up and feel fancy for an evening. At number 6, we've got comfortable walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking, whether it's exploring the ship or sightseeing at port. Number 7 on our list is a power strip. With so many gadgets to charge, you'll be glad you packed this lifesaver. Coming in at number 8, we have sunscreen. Protect your skin from those harmful UV rays while you're basking in the sun. At number 9, we've got a day bag. It's perfect for carrying your essentials when you leave the ship to explore. Number 10 is a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated with your trusty water bottle and do your part for the environment too. At number 11, we've got snacks, just in case you get a little peckish between mealtimes. Number 12 on our list is a camera. Capture those unforgettable moments and beautiful vistas. Coming in at number 13, we have seasickness tablets. The sea can be unpredictable, and these will be your saving grace. At number 14, we've got a good book, for those quiet moments when you just want to relax and unwind. And finally, at number 15, we have a positive attitude. It's the most important thing to pack. It takes up no room and guarantees you a fantastic time. So there you have it. The top 15 items to pack for a cruise. From the essential passport and travel insurance documents to the practical power strip and comfortable shoes, these items ensure a stress-free and enjoyable experience on your cruise. Let's not forget the importance of a positive attitude. It's the key to making the most of your cruise and creating unforgettable memories. Happy cruising!